Right, let's go and check on our scoreboards. This was the Burrows and Watts one that was really a bit manky, very, very pale. I've stained it and grain filled it and given it a coat of button polish just to seal it all in. And tomorrow I'll be trying to even out the colour, try to get a bit of red into it, and bodying it up. The little Oak Riley scoreboard is beautiful. It's a lovely, lovely golden oak colour, lovely English oak. This is going to look really nice when it's finished. So with that one, it's just a case of round the decal, where it's got some of the original polish. I'm just going to sort of have to break that up with some touch-ups, just to tidy it up. And then the George Edwards one, that's been, hopefully you can see, has been grain filled, and again that's just had a coat of button polish. I'll have to try and improve a bit on the numerals where they're fading, but tomorrow I'll be mainly just pulling in the colour on that one. There's a few light spots and just pulling in the colour and bodying it up. And the last one, of course, is the little Burrows and Watts one, which I shall bring over. Horrible day out there. Here we go. This one has been grain filled and sealed. I've got a bit of work to do on here because I've got to, where the numerals are missing or bad, I've now got to paint the background in and try and just break up the numeral a bit so that it actually looks a bit more clear to see. It's a really nice little scoreboard, this one. So tomorrow, that's basically what we're going to be doing. We're going to be touching up and bodying up the scoreboards. And it's a good night from them.